Hello guys, what's up? So I'm back again for another tutorial video. So in this video, I will gonna show you how you can connect your wireless headphone or earpods on your PC or laptop. So if you are interested, then keep on watching. But before all that, if you are new to my channel, consider to like and subscribe for more videos like this, and also, you can comment down below if you have something that you want me to make a tutorial about. So without further ado, let's start the tutorial. So before connecting your wireless headphones or earpods to your PC or laptop, make sure to turn them on first, because you won't be able to connect them if they are turned off. And once you're sure that it's already turned on, I will now show you how to connect it to your PC or laptop. So to connect your headphones or earpods to your PC or laptop, you will need to turn on your Bluetooth. So to turn on your Bluetooth, just go to your settings. And once you're on settings, you will now be able to see the Bluetooth and devices option right here. Just go and click it. And after that, I want you to click the View More Devices. And then you can now turn on your Bluetooth right here. And after turning on your Bluetooth, next, I want you to click the Add Device button. And then select Bluetooth. And after that, your PC will now search for all the devices that have their Bluetooth turned on. Just wait for it to finish. And once it's finished, you will now see all the devices, so just find the name of your headphones. And once you've found your headphone's name, just go and click it. And after clicking it, it's done. Congratulations, your headphones will now be automatically connected to your PC or laptop. And so that's just how you do it, guys. Now that you've watched this video, you can now do it yourself. So that concludes our tutorial video for today. I hope it helped you. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.